In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery of this car remote. So it's really easy. You'll need to turn it on this side and take a really small Phillips screwdriver, and you'll notice there's a small screw just here that we'll need to remove first. Great. Now the casing has a small slot right here. You'll need to take, well, you can take this screwdriver, but I have a flathead screwdriver one. Jam it right there and turn it slightly. The casing will pop naturally this way. Great. So now to remove the battery, it's quite easy. You can do it using a screwdriver, I guess. You just need to push it out. And this will reveal two batteries, not just one. So remove the other one the same way the first one. You just need to push it. Be careful to not damage anything. Okay, great. As you can see, these are two CR2025 3 volts batteries. You'll need two of them. Check the link in the description to see where you can get one. Or two. I guess you need two. To put it back, easy. Just the way you took it. Put both. You can pile them up this way and push them at the same time back. This is the easiest way I found out to do. So once you're done, you'll need to clip the whole casing back. Be sure everything is clicked in place so there is no debris or water that could enter inside. And now put the small screw right where it was. And you're done. This is the way to replace your battery inside this key fob. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give us a like if you liked this video. Thanks.